in whose name, on the river of Brahmaputra, government have declared a bridge called Zubin Garg Setu. Let me welcome the man with golden heart and the man who started 1st September, the first ever Alive India concert, my friend, your friend, Zubin Garg.
Thank you.
Zubin. Zubin has come to sing for KK. Thank you very much. I'll come back again.
Okay, yeah, a lot of Northeast guys are here. I know. It's a special event and it was organized in a very short time. So I came from Assam, someone came from Bangalore, someone came from Mumbai. And within a short time, like 3 days, we tried to create something for you. It's musical. It's a tribute to our dear friend KK. He was my good friend. And we are like compatriots in Bollywood. Though I left Bollywood, I don't like it. I'm not doing any agitation here. See, I have it. Just keep my voice here in the front speakers. Thank you. जरा सी दिल में दे जगह तू जरा सा अपना ले बना जरा सा ख्वाबों में सजा तू जरा सा यादों में बसा मैं चाहूँ तुझको मेरी जान बेपनाह फिदा हूँ तुझ पे मेरी जान बेपनाह जरा से दिल में दे जगह तू जरा सा अपना ले बना जरा सा ख्वाबों में सजा तू जरा सा यादों में बसा मैं चाहूँ तुझको मेरी जान बेपनाह तू ही मेरी शब है सुबह है तू ही दिल है मेरा तू ही मेरा रब है जहाँ Okay. I'll say that this is one of my most biggest songs in Assam, in Northeast, and even in Bengal, it's very popular. It's very popular. So it's called Mayavini, the mysticism of life. So I want to dedicate this song for KK from Assam, from Northeast, from Bengal as well. So thank you for being here with us. And Mayavini, রাতের বুকুত দেখা পারো তোমার ছবি ধরা দিলাম গোপনে আহি হিয়ার কোমল তুমি যেমন শুকান বনত নিয়দৰে চেঁচা টোপাল নামি অহা ৰ'দৰে লৈ মোৰ দেহত ৰাতিপুৱা ধুমুহাৰ সতে মোৰ বহু যুগৰে নাচো এভাৰো সঁচানো বহুদিনৰে আপোন নিজানৰ গান মোৰ শেষ হ'ব ভাবো তোমাৰ বুকুত মায়াবিনী রাতের বুকুত দেখা পারো তোমার ছবি ধরা দিলাম গোপনে আহি হিয়ার কোমল
Please give him a
Big
wave.
round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
यारो यही तो जिंदगी है Lyrics is not ready.
यारों दोस्ती बड़ी ही हसीन है ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है
Voice needs to be high.
It's about our love and friendship. It's about love.
check
It's about our love and friendship.
Hello.
It's about love.
check
It's about love and friendship. It's about love.
check
It's about love and friendship. It's about